What's up guys, JMC Fishing here. Today I'm going to do a little video of an installation. Did some upgrades on my boat. I moved the original charger from the rear of the boat to the seat, under the seat. And I went to test out my boat, went fishing. It's actually not working right now. I'm going to show you a little bit. This is a 3-bank charger. It's the Minn Kota MK345 PC precision charger. I've had it for quite some time. I had an issue that the rear end of the boat where this was installed, it got flooded. I forgot to take out the plug from the rear of the boat, so the whole entire thing was completely underwater, and then I had to drain it and all that stuff. That was a couple years ago, but ever since then, bank number 2 hasn't been working right. So it's been giving me some problems with the connections. I don't know if it's coming from the main port here or the rear. I've already changed the connections a few times. It's not working at all. It's not the batteries. I've tested out the other batteries and switched it around with all 3 batteries that I have in the back, and nothing. Even a lead acid battery, and still nothing. So I bought a replacement and didn't get the same Minn Kota. I still got the 2 banks, so I'm still gonna keep this here, but check it out. So I bought the Noco Genius Gen Pro 10 amp 4-bank charger. Let's see how this works. Let's test it out. It's actually a couple $100 less than the new Minn Kota is coming out, and it hasn't even come out, the Minn Kota. The new precision charger that's out that charges lithium. This bank charger does charge lithium batteries, which I needed anyway because I am planning on upgrading to lithium batteries probably next year. So I definitely needed something. It just so happens that this one got damaged. So with that being said, I'm going to show you some installation. I have to take out these 2 seats off. They're kind of drilled into these the back wall over here. I got to take those drills to take that completely out, and then take out the batteries that I have, and start removing some stuff and getting this ready. So little by little I'll show you what's going on, and you'll see here and there. All right guys. So just so you guys know, Tracker Pro190, the back has a plate. It's got about 8 screws. You don't have to individually take everything out. I don't know if the pros do it this way, but this is what I did. In here, guys, there's gonna be a plate right in here. It's kind of like a cross. So you have to drill 2 holes. This is probably gonna be the most difficult one. Right in here. So on this boat, I don't know if the other boats have this, but on this boat it has a horizontal plate back here. It's kind of like a brace. So I drill a square hole in there to fit the line through the first section. Then I had to drill down here to get the line out. And then this is where the back part of the boat is. And that's where I feed all the lines through. All right. So if you ever plan on doing this yourself, you're gonna have to drill through aluminum, and just make sure you don't drill through your live well, which is right here. Gotta be gentle. And on this side here where the compartment is, where this compartment is, it's all full of foam. All that is foam right in here. So all this through the back is all foam. So you guys got to be careful with that. All right. I did that the first, and I had to drill all the way to the side, but it gave me room. It gives me room to put some of this. Then obviously when you drill the holes, you got to just file this out. Make sure this is not sharp for cut the lines, which it's filed out. So just put that right over there, and then you're good. All right. Gives you an idea. I bought a 4-bank this time. I had a 3, now I got 4. The only difference is the Minn Kota charges at 15 amps. This one charges at 10. It's looking pretty. And it's a lot smaller. The rating is that it's completely waterproof. There's different accessories that it comes, like you could use. These are the other ones. But these little plug accessories, but I don't need to do that. But if you're interested, so you know. You can see through here, everything's through. I just gotta drill this here steady for it won't move. So check it out. I ran the wires through here. Push them to the side. Get the power cable there. Everything should be good. All right, guys. Installation is complete. I just got to put in back the seats. Alright guys, so put the seats back, everything is good, battery's dying, and we are on. AGM. Looks like everything is working good. Alright guys, so I completed the installation. I got my 4-bank charger on there. Everything worked out great. Put everything back where it's supposed to go. Everything looks perfect. Tested everything out. Everything's good. The charger's working fine. The Noco Genius is actually a very, very good charger. It's cool that this is a waterproof system. We just had like a big rainstorm, and you can see everything is kind of a little wet, so and everything is good. everything is good. Let's see there. Yeah, right now it's on maintenance mode, so we're good. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments, and thumbs up, and thanks again.